Hunter Legal and Conveyancing, leading the way in conveyancing and law. Here's what some of our clients have to say about us.
Hi, my name is Bron, and a few years ago my husband and I decided to travel overseas without our kids, and on advice from Sue from Hunter Legal and Conveyancing we took out a will. Thinking that we'd never use it, but thought it would be the best thing to do as we were both travelling without the kids. Of course, like most people our age, think, why bother having a will, because you're not going to use it. We're a long time from being old and retiring and needing it. And then in September of 2014, there was a knock at my door and there were two policemen there. And my husband had suddenly passed away. His heart had stopped. He had no pre-existing condition and he was in good health, and he was only 48 years of age. And suddenly we were faced with the thing that you think always happens to someone else, and suddenly it had happened to us. I was so relieved that in those first few weeks I had beautiful Sue from Hunter Legal and Conveyancing beside me to help me with the paperwork. There is so many forms to fill out, and just to have someone to give great advice and guidance and really good cupcakes with the time of need. It was just lovely. You have to make so many big decisions, and you really aren't in the right frame of mind to make decisions that are quite long lasting and they'll affect us forever. But to have someone to give really good advice was fantastic, and it meant that in the overwhelmingness of the first few weeks after Cole died, that things like your bank accounts, and we had our own business, so we had loans, that someone could just be on our side and act on our behalf and look after all of that for me was fantastic.
Hunter Legal and Conveyancing, leading the way in conveyancing and law.